and welcome back to Kool Kanya. I am Sakshi and we help you kill it at work while also having a life. So this is a very new style of like a video that we are creating. This is like a vlog that we are making because me and my boss Shivani were traveling to Indore to the I5 summit. So like you can see, the bags are packed and we're all set to go. I have landed at Indore airport, which is Devi Ahilya Bai airport, and I'm just waiting for Shivani to arrive. I am sitting by her baggage belt. Hi!
You shoot.
Where are we, Shivani?
Yeah, and I am Indore.
Good morning, it's the next day. So basically Shivani and I met yesterday and we had so much to talk about that we forgot to vlog, but I will just show you where we are. We are at IIM Indore and I will shortly give you a room tour and also show you around campus, and you'll also get to meet Shivani, who's conducting the workshop on how to pitch perfect presentations and decks and stuff like that. So wait up for a lot of content, and good morning. It's beautiful. This is the view from our room, and we legit saw like a peahen right there somewhere in the morning, and the weather is very nice. It is cloudy and it did rain a little bit yesterday, and it's slightly windy. There's a nice breeze outside and the campus is beautiful. So this is the executive residences where we are staying for the summit. I believe people stay here for, like professors stay here and guests of the institute, people they invite come and stay here. And these are the corridors. We are staying in room number 1113. So you enter it, and sorry about the mess. We tried to be as clean as possible. So here you have a nice table where they've given you some nice coffee and tea packets, a kettle for water, like a flask for water. Then there's this almirah, and we have a really nice window. So this is where Shivani is staying, and this is where I am staying. And we have a full-size mirror. Hi! Hello, this is like after the breakfast. And tell me, what are we gonna do now? We're gonna walk around campus. We're gonna go and see this beautiful 900-acre, I don't know, thing that they have. We're gonna go to the library, we're gonna check it out, and we might get some hot chai in one of their canteens, and we're gonna pretend to be a student now. I thought you were gonna say hot boys. No, we're too old for that. That's true. So we're gonna like pretend as if we're students, and we're gonna bleed into the crowd and behave like one of their own, and we're gonna check out the campus. It has a swimming pool, a gymnasium, and like a lot of like stuff. So let's hope that some weird things happen. And to make this vlog more interesting, editor G, cut to a fashion montage. Okay, so that montage was an epic fail, I know. We're too cute and too bubbly to be models. Shivani has also got her phone out and she's also vlogging. And we are vlogging each other. So this is the beautiful sprawling campus. Okay, now accent has changed. Come back to Indian accent, Sakshi. And you have these students going on to somewhere. It's a huge campus. Apparently it's in some acres. I'll put the right number in the caption. And that's Shivani. Shivani, fit check.
Hi. How are you? It's a beautiful beautiful morning.
It is, it is. That's mess. That's a mess.
This must be the main mess.
Bhojanalay one. Just spotted a peacock and we're going towards it. So now we're walking towards the library and this is so beautiful. Yeah, it's beautiful. A nice frame, see? The colors are so pretty.
Yeah. Hi Sakshi,
Hi.
are you excited for today?
I am. I'm already I'm in the process of being excited because the campus is beautiful and every place that we're walking in is so aesthetically well put together architecture. And Shivani, you and I are just enjoying it, I think. And yeah, it's beautiful and green.
And one word to describe your trip so far.
It's been
One word.
it's been very surprising in a good way because I was really scared to be traveling with you. I was like, you're my boss. I don't know how it will be. I have to be very proper and everything.
And have you been proper?
No. Have you been proper?
No. I think I've been proper. I don't know. How is it in being in a sleepover with your
It
boss?
was fun. I think I slept I was comfortable in the room, but I didn't sleep well because I was feeling like a little gassy. TMI. Tell me, how was it?
It's been really fun because Sakshi has shared some very valuable pieces of gossip. Kidding. It's been fun because this is my first visit to Madhya Pradesh, one state that I haven't visited so far, and I've really enjoyed it. I know this might not be central MP, but the outskirts, which is all trees, and it's like being in a hill station, but not in a hill station. It's gorgeous. There's slopes, there's trees, there are peacocks, there are peahens. It's like being in nature. And seriously, I feel like living here without having to be a student because I don't want to do all the hard work of a student, but I want to chill. I want to work from home from here. I can just pretend to be like a chai wali in maybe one of these canteens. That's my goal.
That's a great business idea.
Yeah. Or maybe be a teacher and do like a deck workshop, and Sakshi can be like the real and video content creation teacher. And that's
I
my
can
goal.
be. I would love to.
Yeah.
So, but why are you here, Shivani? People don't know that.
I'm here to host a workshop on how to make powerful pitches to investors, clients, brands, and your boss. I'm here to teach that in the IIM Summit.
Okay. And obviously you're nervous, so I'm not gonna ask you that.
Yes, I'm nervous, but I'm hiding it right now. I'm prepared. I'm planning to take some time out to just sort of go through my deck again. And yeah, maybe in an hour, I'll start preparing.
Lovely. All the best.
Thank you.
Guess who is on her third chai of
And it's
the
extra
day?
sweet, this one. Oh god, my sugar thing will be skyrocketing.
You will be on. Do you get sugar high?
Not extra
You get
sweet.
chai high, I know, because
Chai
your
high,
blog
that's
says
good.
that.
But chai high, sugar high only.
Like that. Third chai.
Third chai, this one's extra sweet and I'm supposed to be cutting sugar, but okay, I'm in IIM Indore and I'm willing to bend the rules.
Yeah, you can, and you should also. Every corner, every place is beautiful and scenic at IIM Indore. There you have a beautiful Shivani flaunting her long tresses. Fashion style. So after about 2 to 3 cups of really sweet chai, Shivani and I decided to head to the library so that she could prepare for her workshop at the I5 Summit. We couldn't film there as it wasn't allowed. So some 2-3 hours later, after Shivani was working in the library, and then we had lunch and I went for a quick thing to the city and came back. Now we're going to...
We're going to pin up these posters on the notice boards.
Yeah, there's gonna be Kool, Kanya all over IIM. We're gonna canvas every door. Kidding, some of it. Where are we going?
To find a guy who's going to help us with these posters. His name is Riteshwar. He's the POC from IIM Indore for Kool Kanya people.
Okay.
And there's a canteen here where we had chai and omelette yesterday. Yeah. We are basically just walking to Sakshi Field's ER tennis, SR tennis here.
Okay, and what if I'm right?
If she's right, she gets 2 bonus points, which will count towards her appraisal.
No.
Two extra rupees.
No, you have to buy me beer.
Okay, fine.
So see, tang tang, I'm right. That's student residence 10.
Oh wow. Oh, basically you win. You get 2 beers.
Oh, then we have our posters here also. Wow. How people like register and stuff. How does it feel to be back on campus?
Very interesting since I'm not studying this time. I'm teaching.
And we have Agrima with us. That's right? That's correct, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and she's helping us out, putting up these posters to sort of canvas the whole campus with Kool Kanya. And so how's your summit going?
Everything is like summit is very much interesting because this is like after a long time that we are going offline.
Alright.
So it's very different from what we have been seeing since the last 2 years here or in the previous colleges as well. So it's very exciting.
Exciting. So is it like an inter-college thing or within IIM only it happens?
It's in the college thing.
Okay. So anyone can sign up and come.
It's an inter-college, like anyone, not even the students, other people can also come.
Lovely. Shivani, why are you hiding your face? What have you done that you're hiding your face? So did you get lost a lot here when you came here?
Yeah, in the beginning it's like a huge campus, so a lot of people get lost. But still, Google
Now
Maps
you're being
helps us.
politically correct. So now we're on to the final leg of our,
The main leg.
the main and the actual leg of our visit. Shivani here will be presenting a workshop on
How to create power-packed pictures and presentations.
and I'm so excited about it. Like this is the reason we came here and
Finally it's happening.
yeah. And we're told that there are going to be like more than 50 people I think attending just there and I'm hoping more online. So I think it's going to be great. Shivani, why did you ruin your hair? It's good like that.
Give it a bit of
Pizzazz.
yes.
Love. Any last words?
Cool. So structured presentations translating content with Shivani Krishan, Chief Content and Community Officer, and with Sakshi Batra.
Kanya. Sakshi is my colleague. She heads videos here and she's going to be shooting this entire experience and we're going to be posting it on our handle soon.